Welcome. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down, and gently close your eyes if that feels right for you. Let's begin by grounding ourselves in the present. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose, feeling the air fill your lungs, your chest expanding, and now a long, slow exhale out through your mouth, releasing any tension you might be holding. Let's do that once more. A deep, nourishing breath in, and a soft, complete breath out. Allow the mind and body to settle into this moment, right here, right now. There is nothing else you need to do, and nowhere else you need to be. If you found your way here, it's possible you're carrying a heavy weight. Feelings of unworthiness, shame, or self-judgment are more common than many realize. They often operate in the background, a quiet hum of not good enough that can color our entire experience of life. This inner critic can be relentless, comparing us to others, replaying past mistakes, and whispering doubts about our worth. It's an exhausting way to live, constantly feeling as though we are falling short. Please know you are not alone in this. Most people carry quiet wounds, hidden beneath strength, silence, or a calm exterior. These are the tender places within us that long for kindness, for understanding, for a moment of peace from the internal battle. Today's session is a gentle journey into self-acceptance. It is an invitation to meet yourself exactly where you are, with all your perceived flaws and imperfections, and to offer yourself the grace you so freely give to others. This is not about striving for perfection, and it is not about fixing what you believe is broken. You are not a project to be fixed. You are a human being deserving of love, especially from yourself. This practice is about simply softening the inner world and returning to a place of compassion. It's about remembering the whole worthy person you have always been, beneath the layers of self-criticism. For deeper support throughout the week, simple moments of reflection can help you stay grounded and centered. If you'd like a gentle structure for this, the free 7-day Inner Strength Journal is available through the link in the description, offering calm prompts to support your process without any pressure. I invite you to stay through to the end of our time together to experience a calming self-acceptance ritual. This gentle practice is designed to help you consciously release old, painful patterns of thought and welcome a profound sense of inner peace. Let's continue this journey together. Self-acceptance begins with honest observation. Consider gently what part of the self has been avoided, what has been difficult to face. Allow the answer to appear without judgment. Awareness is compassion, not criticism. Self-judgment says, this is wrong. Self-acceptance says, this is part of the human experience. Which part of the inner self is becoming easier to acknowledge with honesty? Let's begin by gently turning our attention inward. Take a slow, deep breath, feeling your chest and belly expand. And as you exhale, release any tension you might be holding. With your next breath, I want you to consider a feeling that often lives in the shadows. Shame. It's a heavy emotion, one that can make us feel small, flawed, or isolated. But it's crucial to understand right from this very first breath that shame is not your identity. It is not the truth of who you are. It is a belief, a painful echo learned through past experiences. It's a protective layer that your nervous system created long ago, but one you no longer need to carry as your core truth. Think back if it feels safe to do so. The roots of shame are often planted in moments we didn't fully understand. Perhaps there was a time you were judged harshly for a mistake, your intentions misunderstood by someone you trusted, or you were openly shamed for being different. These moments can be loud and obvious, or quiet and subtle. A dismissive glance, a critical tone of voice, a feeling of not belonging. They leave an imprint, a quiet whisper that says, "There is something wrong with me." For many of us, our very safety once depended on shrinking, on staying silent, on making ourselves smaller to avoid criticism or conflict. We learned to hide parts of ourselves, our creativity, our sensitivity, our unique voice, believing these were the parts that were unacceptable. This hiding becomes a habit, a second skin, but the parts you've hidden are not your flaws. They are often your greatest strengths waiting to be reclaimed. But here is the profound and liberating truth. Shame is a story, not a fact. It's a narrative constructed from old wounds, outdated beliefs, and the voices of others. It may feel incredibly real, but it is not the unchangeable truth of your being. It is simply a chapter, and you are the author of your life. And because it is a story, it can be compassionately examined, understood, and even rewritten. You hold the pen. You have the power to begin a new chapter, one grounded in self-acceptance and kindness. This rewriting process begins softly, gently. Softly repeating new beliefs helps to retrain the mind and soothe the nervous system. Let's practice together. Find a comfortable posture, take another deep breath, and allow these words to land without judgment. Feel the resonance of those words. The mind learns through repetition. Consistent daily affirmation practice can support this profound rewiring, creating new compassionate neural pathways. It's like tending to a garden. With gentle care, new life begins to grow. When these deeper emotions surface, giving yourself space to reflect can be grounding. If you want help staying consistent with gentle inner work, the Innertune app offers soft reminders and affirmations to support your daily emotional rewiring. The inner critic is often a younger version of oneself, trying to stay safe, trying to prevent pain. Pause and ask yourself, where did this voice originate? Is it truly the present self or an echo from the past? Questioning creates space. Space softens the inner critic. Which unkind thought is ready to be released? Self-acceptance means embracing the full human experience, the strengths and the struggles, mistakes, fears, insecurities, resilience, courage. All of it belongs. All of it forms a complete self. Reconnecting with the different inner parts happens gently and patiently, inviting understanding instead of judgment. Place one hand over the heart. Take a slow breath in. Exhale with softness. Repeat inwardly. Acceptance is possible. Compassion is deserved. Old beliefs can be released. Healing and kindness are chosen now. Allow these words to settle into the body, creating new pathways of peace. Enough exactly as I am. As we bring this practice to a close, let's take a moment to honor the journey we've just undertaken. This path of self-acceptance isn't a destination we arrive at, but a relationship we cultivate. Something to be tended to with immense gentleness, day by day. Like any meaningful connection, it requires patience, understanding, and a willingness to show up for yourself, especially when it feels difficult. It's a continuous practice of returning to your own heart, of listening to its quiet wisdom and offering it the kindness it so deeply deserves. Some days will feel light and effortless. On these days, celebrate your strength, acknowledge the progress you've made, and feel the warmth of self-love radiating from within. These are the moments to soak in, to store in your memory as a reminder of your inherent capacity for peace and joy. And then there will be days that feel heavy, days when old doubts resurface, when the inner critic speaks loudly. These are not signs of failure. They are invitations to practice even deeper compassion. On these days, offer yourself the grace to simply be. Remember that every single moment you choose compassion over criticism, you are actively rewiring your mind and bringing healing closer. Each gentle thought, each patient breath is a step toward wholeness. Let's close with a few affirmations. You can repeat them silently to yourself. I am worthy of my own kindness. I release the need for perfection. I embrace my journey with all its twists and turns. If you feel called to continue this inner work, you can explore the free 7-day Inner Strength Journal in the description. It's a simple companion to help you integrate these reflections with softness and consistency. We encourage you to save this session. Think of it as a safe harbor you can return to whenever old patterns re-emerge or when you simply need a reminder of your own inner strength. And now, for a final moment of reflection. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, consider this question. Which new, compassionate belief about yourself is ready to be embraced today? Let us know in the comments. Cultivating inner strength and healing from within.